my farmer's hat because Mark and I have officially purchased a farm. When I say in the country, in the country. So we don't know the first thing about operating a farm. This is a full-blown farm. We're actually too tired to talk about it, honestly. We're already exhausted and we haven't gotten started.
Yep, that was us. This is where the story begins. Just look at us, two crazy kids living the suburbia life, enjoying our nice, relaxing evenings at the country club, living it up. Little did we know that we were getting ready for life on the farm.
Mark! Mark! Mark!
Holy moly! He's going too close! Oh my gosh!
So Mark and I are at the Tractor Supply, and I never thought I'd be shopping for clothes at the Tractor Supply. But look, what y'all think about this? I feel like I could fry something in this shirt.